20 years after the First World War had ended, the world was at war again.
In 1944, the first part, it was quite evident that time was drawing nigh when we would have to do the job which we were trained for. No one had any idea until, in April, our commanding officer took my company aside and said, "I need 50 volunteers. And I would like to think that you were volunteers, and I would like to think that you were singing." It would appear that our task of the 9th Battalion Parachute Regiment was to neutralise a battery which was so placed in Normandy that had it been allowed to fire on our troops, it would have created carnage on Saw Beach, on which the 3rd Infantry Division were about to land. The idea was that as the 9th Battalion went into the battery, the glider force would land right on top of it, in between the two warring platforms.
Radio brought new music to millions more, and these new tunes and songs caught on with people in the swing era, so that when the Second World War broke out, radio sent the sound of new music from America winging across the world.